Damn. What is up, guys? Bringing you guys another video. Y acá el compa que dice que valió verga.
Hard, nigga.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué pasó?
Huh? Mira.
No mames. A ver. Espérate, don't move it. No mames, güey.
¿Qué?
Seguro que de eso más. I'm pretty sure that shit still works, güey. Pretty sure, güey. Just put some JB Weld y ya. Como ven, chavos, valió pifas el compa, que nomás iba a cambiar sus U-joints. Pero I guess he might need a new drive shaft. ¿Va, güey? Es okay, güey, no te agüites.
No, ahorita.
¿Eh?
No, ahorita.
Let me see, güey, mira. You're a sad cut right now.
No, I'm a searching cut right now.
Yeah, so right now he's just looking around on the junkyards, on the websites to see what, for a drive shaft. A ver si vamos por uno, porque el de él ya valió verga, como ven. A ver, chavos, arreglen su troca en tiempo, porque si no les pasa esto.
Yo, bitch ass up.
Huh?
Huh?
I didn't say nothing.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go pick up la famous Shadow del VP from Oil Mob. Fuck yeah.
La Shadow.
He always coming in clutch, letting us borrow the whipmobile. Hopefully my boy gets a single cab next year. That's the goal. Ha estado trabajando duro el cut.
Se anda
matando ahí en el UPS.
Se anda matando en el UPS.
Pero it'll be worth it at the end of the day. And look guys, we got, oh shit, hold on. We got Rogelia back running. Ahorita es open headers, but she's back up, baby. We'll catch you guys at the junkyard. Bye. Alright guys, we're gonna go get the drive shaft, me and Noel, but my boy Freddy decided to come with us. We're about to move La Shadow. He said he gotta find parts for, you know, La Mamalona. Got el compa Noel fucking moving the new truck. Pero a ver qué pedo. A la verga. He didn't even let that bitch warm up. Let's go. Vámonos, fuga. We 10 motherfuckers. Alright, guys.
Alright guys, so el compa Freddy decided to come with us. A ver si encuentra unos parts for the Shadow. Y acá el sad cut. Que tuvo que gastar dinero para el drive shaft, poniendo pifas.
What, bitch?
What is up, guys? Just copped the new whip, the trap van. A little trap van.
We smoking doinks in here.
What?
We smoking doinks in here.
Nah, guys, quick update. We found a little truck.
We're trying to see if it is the right.
We're trying to see if it's the right drive shaft for Leo's truck. Cause you know, 4x4, it's not good for a two-wheel drive. No sé qué tanto dice Leo.
Them tires are pretty good, no cap.
Huh?
Them tires are pretty good. Oh, never mind, they're all.
Te la regalo si quieres.
They're uneven, nigga.
Te la regalo.
Got the leather interior. So what else do you need?
Sheesh.
The door panels. They got the high and low.
Pinche Freddy, puedes hacer un seller at a dealer.
Yeah, I'll sell you a sunroof real quick.
A little sunroof for la mamalona.
For the Mamalona cut. Little Cadillac delete for Brian.
Just like that. My boy got his drive shaft, but you know, I don't know about that going into the truck like that, man.
I'll take the sweater.
The murder out truck can't be going
Yeah.
like that.
You don't know, mames,
No,
güey.
güey.
Mejor te vas caminando, güey, la neta.
Nah, neta, güey. Llévate el puto drive shaft to drive on it. You ready?
Nah, guys, but he did get it, and
That looks a little too thick.
that looks a little bit too thick. But we could just
We could test it.
take it off his old one and put the old one in here. Ya acá el tío en chinga con la música.
Hey, new stereo for my car. You come up?
A ver. You know I've stolen stereos from fucking.
What?
I've stolen stereos, nigga, back in the OG.
Hey, guys, report him to
Pinche
the cop.
ratero. Alright, guys, so I guess he ended up taking it home. Hopefully it fits, Alex. Hola, tranquilo. Ay, su madre. Ya sé que llévatelo para casa.
Damn, that guy's stunning on him. This nigga got pellets in the whole This got pellets.
Those are BBS's.
What are they?
BBS's.
Nah, but hopefully the drive shaft fits, Alex.
Hey, I think they're trying to buy my truck over there.
Oye, Leo.
¿Qué, güey?
¿Y qué, güey? ¿Valió pifas otra vez?
Sí.
¿Por qué?
That drive shaft's too small.
Si yo no te lo dije, güey.
You said, nah, it's gonna fit, güey. It's gonna fit.
Pues sí ves que mira, es un pedazo de metal de Chevy y otro pedazo de metal de Chevy, güey.
That's not how shit works.
No, pues, perdón, yo pensaba que iba a caber, güey. Pero eso, ¿qué?
Yo también pienso muchas cosas, güey. Crazy, este güey es una puta verga.
No como otro acá.
¿Y tú qué, güey? You're just cameraman.
Y sí, güey,
Bitch ass,
¿qué
¿no?
tiene de malo?
Nada.
Ya nomás le comemos el yuyo y ya sirve tu chingadera otra vez, güey.
¿Cuánto que con un putazo lo saco?
¿Cuánto?
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 ¿Cuánto qué?
$2.
$2.
Ah. Fuck!
¿Qué?
That bitch pop. A esa le tienes que calentar otra vez.
¿Otra vez crees?
Yeah.
No, serio, oye, ahí, ya, man.
Tienes que calentar.
Caliéntalo otra vez.
No va a salir, güey. Tienes que calentar.
Let me go turn it on.
I mean, it moved.
¿Qué tanto le miras, güey?
Ya, este pinche pendejo. I don't think this is... Oh, shit. This fuck up the return, right? Y la rata no entra a la transmisión en la cara, güey. I'm like, dude, this shit won't go in the train.
Flathead?
Para dejar todo chingón, si no, no va a servir.
Madre.
Tiene que mojar, güey. No,
¿A poco se lo escupes?
no, güey.
Mételo.
Okay. Ahí smack it.
¿Sí entró bien?
Sure.
No.
Yeah, güey.
Mira. It won't go in.
And go in what?
In here.
In what?
¿No le entró?
Mira, güey, no levanta.
Pues
You
pendejo,
see what I mean?
pon el dado aquí, güey. Se va a entrar para adentro.
No, way, I'm smacking the needle bearings. You see how you can't move it?
Hasta. ¿Dónde va el clamp? El seguro. Tráeme el seguro, güey. ¿Seguro?
Está bueno.
Déjame meter el otro.
Sí, güey, mira.
Yeah, no, pero déjame meter el otro.
No, pon el seguro, güey.
Este, güey.
Oh,
Este, güey,
fuck.
este.
Esto es una puta verga. I fuck with Freddy.
Alright, you might fuck with me, but don't lose this. Yes. Alright, give me...
Con huevos.
Ok, no, tampoco no vamos. Alright, dame ese.
The hammer?
A little bit. A ver, con todos los teeth. Okay, that was it there. I don't know how it works.
Because no llevan.
Okay,
It's just-
we'll just put it.
¿Ya quedó, Leo?
Hopefully.
Don't look, don't drop them. And if you drop them, make sure none of the beads fall off.
Yeah.
Güey,
Okay, wait.
you wanna go get checkers?
Lleva 16
Right now?
Yeah, ahí dejamos eso, güey.
I mean, you guys can. If you guys really want to go in. You wanna go?
¿Lo dejamos al meco?
I'll go as soon as I finish this.
Hay que se quede el pinche meco.
You guys can go. Thank you. You wanna go?
Hey, güey. I don't see no fish on this toilet.
Hey, you killed the fish. Se acabó el agua, no mames.
No mames, Leo. ¿Dónde está el pescado? Oye, Leo. ¿Te ayudó?
See.
Okay.
What do? You gonna help me or what?
Huh?
You gonna help me or what?
Oh, you want me to help you like for real?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can't get the fucking. Oh no, I got it. Never mind. You
Got
the
it?
couple. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
You got the bolts and everything, the impact?
Yeah. Oh, not the impact.
No, he needs the impact.
What the fuck you have to? You don't have to.
Fucking bitch. Come on, bitch.
Do it in park.
Hey, Ray.
Okay, wait.
Can you give me?
No. What? You had the dollars and shit in your pocket.
I know, but can you give me the impact? Is it moving? Hell yeah.
I think it's a neutral, dude. There you go. Almost. Man, you could have just said that you need new joints.
Hey, güey.
What? ¿Qué quieres, güey? Say it. Say it.
Yo tengo hambre, güey.
There's enchiladas inside here, güey.
We done?
That's it for the video. Ya quedó la mamalona.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure to subscribe to the
A
channel.
ver si prende.
Y a ver si prende este yonke. Give it a like. Stay tuned for the next video, guys.